If your ECOVACS DEEBOT T30 Pro OMNI is not responding properly, or you want to reset it for troubleshooting, finding the reset button can be confusing. Unlike older models, newer robot vacuums often hide the reset option inside the device or under the top cover, making it harder to locate at first. Many users think the reset option is missing, but it's actually there, you just need to know where to look. The good news is that once you find it, resetting the device is quick and simple. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to locate the reset button, step by step. Try these. 1. Turn off the robot vacuum and place it on a flat surface. 2. Open the top cover of the device to access internal controls. 3. Look near the power button or Wi-Fi indicator for a small reset button. 4. Identify the labeled or pinhole style button inside the compartment. 5. Press and hold it using a finger or pin if needed to confirm location.